Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you guys stay locked in because we have a package right here. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm just gonna see what's inside of here, but make sure you guys stay locked in with me. We're gonna go ahead and open this package up. It says 1.1 pound on the outside of here. Let's go ahead and cut open the top portion. Alright, so we got that open. Now we're gonna see what's inside of here. As you can see, it does say OUKITEL C17 Pro. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at what's inside. Alright guys, so it is a all orange box right here. As you can see, it says OUKITEL in white letters. On this side it says OUKITEL 2, and then right here there's nothing, and then right here you're getting let me just see, IMEI numbers and colors too. Go ahead and lift this up real quick. Okay, so that was open just there, and we're gonna see right here it says bonus gift. So right here it does say bonus free gift Bluetooth speaker. So it says right here, thanks for your purchasing and the great support. We have specifically gift for you, a Bluetooth speaker. Please send your order ID to this email address to get the free Bluetooth speaker. Oh crap, that's dope. I'm gonna do that. That would definitely be pretty sick. Let's go ahead, pull this right out, and it has a really nice weight to it. Okay. There's already a case on this thing too. Let me lift this up. And right here you can see it does say octa-core, 5 megapixel and 13 megapixel fingerprint sensor. The 19:9 6.35 blind hole display. Android 9 3900 milliamp hour battery. Low power 5V2A and Face ID. So that's actually pretty cool. And let me just take this case off of here. It's like a jelly case. Put that off to the side. And this is like the maple red color. Let's just place this off to the side real quick. So I definitely think this is dope. Let me see. Pull this right off the top. Put this off to the side. Then you're getting right here it says OUKITEL. And that's in another language. Just put that off to the side. Right here, you're getting the thanks for choosing OUKITEL products. It's like a user manual, and you get a warranty certificate too. And you do get Type-C cable also. And you do get a wall brick, which would be the 5 volts, 2 amps. And right here, yep, 5.2. So let's put that off to the side. You do get the SIM tray ejector tool. And that's pretty much everything inside the box. We're gonna peel this off real quick, so let me just see. Okay, that's the layer on the back. Now you can see that maple red color, and that looks really good. But you can kind of get an idea right there how it looks. And it does have the triple cameras right here. So one's a 2, one's a 5, one's a 13. So this color does look really good, that maple red. So it's more of like a really it has like a red to it, but it's also really deep red, which is dope. Let me pull this off. All right, so let's just give this thing some juice real quick. I'm gonna hold down the power button. So it does say OUKITEL.com, and you can see right here up top we are getting that punch hole. Let me just switch the camera so you can see how that looks. That looks pretty good. That looks really cool. And let me just wait for this to load up. So right here, boom, it does say has a really nice weight to it as well. So let me just press start. Okay, so then it says skip right here. Skip that as well. Continue. All right, so right here it says you can change the time zone you were in. So we're gonna go ahead and change that to the United States right here. Where's that at? Eastern Standard Time, boom. And then we're just gonna hit, I'm just gonna hit next, you know what I mean? And then hit next right one more time, and then hit next again. And now it says start fingerprint. Click next. And you're gonna set up a fingerprint with a pattern like we always do. One more time, continue. That's really bright too. So it says touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Continue. Okay, so right here it says wireless update. So you say yes to both. And you continue right here. And then you click allow. And it says right here, change the mode of the launcher, desktop. And then right here, you can see right here it says long, hold on empty space and enter desktop setting. So that's cool. Then you can see this really sick wallpaper right there that we got going. Let's switch this, long press empty spot. And then it tells you you can locate an app too. So let's click OK. But look at that wallpaper right there. That looks sick. And it looks like the moon or something right there at the top. So right here you can see we do have no app tray right off the double bat, but right here you can see it's pretty snappy. And these are all the apps on it. We got calculator, clock, music, settings, camera. Let's go into camera. You can see we do have bokeh effect right here, or all the way over here. It does say Pro Mode 2. So you can adjust the bokeh, a beauty as well, picture mode 2, video. And then when you go into video, you're gonna go up at the top and you're gonna hit IES, which has electronic image stabilization. You do get scene mode. Go back. You can capture video in 1080 by 1920 by 1080 or 720. You do get anti-flicker. On auto, you do get volume control for keys. You control that, white balance and stuff like that. So let's go back, and when you flip the camera, you can see right here. Looks pretty decent. Let's take a quick selfie. All right, so we got the picture. I'm gonna post that on the video too, so you can see that. But let's just go look right here, and you get shot on OUKITEL C17 Pro. And then this actually looks decent, but you can see some grain in there. Let's check out the details. Not too bad. It's a little low light in here, but it's pretty decent, and it captured the scene pretty good. So let's go back. Then let's just go into wallpaper real quick. Let me just see this desktop mode. They were talking about quick gesture right here, desktop mode right there. And let's go back and let's go into wallpapers. Let me just see if they incorporated a ton of wallpapers with that punch hole too. Yeah, this is sick. So you can see this one. Let me see, set wallpaper. Let me go back. Okay, so that's dope. Let me go back here one more time. And we're gonna go to wallpaper one more time. So let me just click this. Okay, this is nuts. So all the wallpapers are incorporated to work with that notch. So, I mean that little punch hole at the top. So let's set this one. Let's go back and check that out. So this is like a S10 clone, guys. This is pretty sick. I'm gonna put my SIM card in here and mess around with this phone a little bit more. But tell me what you guys think about this so far, and leave your thoughts down below. But appreciate you guys 100%. You guys are the real MVPs, and make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you guys stay locked in, and I'll see you right after this.